Recently in Lianhua Town, Lianxi District, Zhejiang, Jiangxi Province, a careful villager accidentally found a wild giant salamander stranded on the riverside bank. He quickly contacted the local police and reported the situation. After understanding the situation, the police and the Bureau of Agriculture and Rural Affairs staff rushed to the scene for the first time. After the professional identification of the staff confirmed that the stranded giant salamander is a precious wild giant salamander, belongs to the National Secondary Key Protection of Wild Animals. Then, on the condition of ensuring that the giant salamander was in a good health and had the survival ability, the site staff worked with the villagers to release it back to nature.